All right, here's NVDA NVIDIA. Exponential moving averages. Daily chart, 153.12, we move down. 148, move down. 143. You can see the theme. We're getting lower. Now, tech's been slowing for a while, too. I think since last June, maybe July, August. And I looked at Dow Transports. They've been slowing, too, since last year. Even before that, it's been slowing. Everything's been slowing. I said this last year. Even where I'm at, I noticed my area, I saw 5 banks close, restaurants close. Like, they don't close if things are doing well. It's that simple. It's basic math there. All right, so recently where we're at, you have all these moving averages above. You're down to 94.31. I called below 100 on my recent video. 28.46, very oversold RSI. Everything's pretty oversold. You have minus 218 on CCI. And you're gapping down fast. And let's take a look on the weekly chart now. 2-year weekly chart. So back in September, October, November, we had this line. It was like back and forth, very tight. Finally broke over 50. Go all the way to near 100 March. Then you have a little pullback. Get a 140 in June. Now you have this rounding big top, you can see here. We never really could get over 150, stay above it. And now we're trending down fast. So the weekly chart's at 195.12, the EMA. Next below you have 79.38, 68.13, the 150, 200-day moving averages. Look at the mountaintop on RSI getting lower and lower, 35.72, 49.19. What else we got? 13.51, stochastics. And look at CCI, really deep on that. So it's just trending. See this rounding? It's like getting worse until you get like a washout. You need something to go way down, and then we're oversold so much, you're going to bounce. Let's look at the monthly chart. All right, here's 5 years. So going back to 2021, reach that point, we get up to 34.58. Pull back to 10. 2023, we go up to 50, pull back again, and then we explode up. The explosion 2024, 150.287. Look at the mountaintop there. That was flying high. Everything's great. Now we're at 52.95. RSI going down. Look at this wash down now. So from 152.87, 94.31, 49.16, 49.53. That's going, slicing through that middle line. See this check? That little etch line. If you cross below that, you're going much lower usually. You're at 575 stochastics, or CCI, excuse me. This is CCI. So the next real target is that 50 EMA, which will be 65.47. Now, I calculate it from here to here, at 94.31. I think it's another 30% drop. From 152.87 to 65.47, I think I counted... I don't have the calculator with me right now. It's over 50% drop, I believe. So that's where we're at. And there's no moving averages here. So what's the next target, really? You're talking 90, 80. Maybe this line here right at 80. 50. And really it's that EMA right there, 65.47. Now this is the exponential moving average. You use the MA, just a straight moving average on the monthly. But trending down, the big move up, and now everything's coming down here. It just depends how far we're going down. What's going to happen next week? You have earnings, I believe. You have, Monday, what's going to happen after the worst 3 days in a long time? How's this market going to react? Are they going to want to get out even more? So this is where we're at. So you have clear separation too, red over green. To make a full turn and we get green over red, that takes time. That doesn't happen overnight on a monthly chart. So that's where we're at, 94.31. It looks like we're going lower. I'd like to see 65.47 on this, and that would be, to me, a final washout. We'll see if we get there. All right, this is NVIDIA. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. I'm on Mike J Trades on X, TikTok, Mike Cayman Trades, Threads, Instagram, Rumble, you name it. Peace.